Yes, exactly. Thank you, Ben. Excitement, I think, is the word around the crowd. They are vocal, enthusiastic. And the Drua have plenty of support in the crowd as well.
Stay behind!
And away we go at McLean Park in Napier as the kickoff is made and taken down by Napier for the Fijian Drua as Lamani sends it across to Tungiri, his loose head prop.
Last feed here.
If there is any breeze, it will be behind the Fijian Drua in the first half. And here is an early test for Callum Harkin, who bounces out of a tackle as it's brought out by Roygard, who puts his foot down. He's got Karifi with him. Now the sprinters on. Duplessis, Karifi, Hurricanes strike early.
Oh, what a start in this boat. Straight at the ruck. Roygard, he didn't even look out to the open side.
Thana Kaivata for the Fijian Drua. Now wide to the left wing side of Rikura as Lamani away from Murray. Inside the 22. Lamani again for Armstrong Ravula. Looking good with the ball in hand. Now they get it out to Ratuvu. And the Fijian Drua strike immediately. Lamani, they keep it in close though. And they gain themselves a penalty here. Now the little jab through, and the bounce here is good for them. Turn it back on the inside, but no advantage. Isaiah Armstrong Ravula. A 45-metre kick, certainly got the distance, and it's accurate. Good defence by the Drua as Roygard playing under a penalty advantage. Umaga Jensen in space, gets it away to Karifi. Now the ball slipped to Whiniunga Norfolk as the Hurricanes are deep inside the 22. Mafaleo goes charging. Good run by the big number 3. Roygard on his own, turns it back inside, and Braden Yose scores for the Hurricanes.
Stays his Drua ball.
They don't compete. Tongiatama gets it away here for Darren Nalangi as the Drua threaten right near the goalposts.
Too many players there. Get your tacklers out.
Now Lamani.
Offside.
They've got him offside once again as the Drua pressing hard. Now they go wide. They've got plenty of numbers. And Armstrong Ravula scores the try for the Drua. The Drua will put a player up here for sure. Oh, Tucker's over. It's been overthrown. And away goes Tongiatama. Now the Drua, can they cash in here? Away goes Murray, getting close to the line. Now Lamani swings it away. They must score here. They've got a mile overlap, and they do.
James, the blue ball carrier has put his hand on the dead ball line, so I need you to overrule your on-field decision. It's no try.
Okay. No try.
Another penalty advantage. Might end up with 2 in the bin if they're not careful here, the Hurricanes. So the Fijian Drua, they're right there. It's Lamani, sells a dummy and scores. Roygard is back there. Again holding up in the breeze, coming down around about halfway, and Shields, first man there. Now it's with Karifi. Ball is there for Roygard. Slings it away for Godfrey. Having a bit of a dab, and off he goes, Harry Godfrey. What a run this is. And he almost got there. Lays it back. Snapped up by Whiniunga Norfolk. And the Hurricanes strike. Second half will start with the Hurricanes down to 14 for another 5 minutes. As the kickoff is made, and I'm sure this will be kicked into touch in a hurry, which it is, by Balin Sullivan. So half-time, it's been action-packed here at McLean Park in Napier. But at the break, the Fijian Drua lead the Hurricanes by 22-19. Very shortly, we'll talk with Clark Laidlaw. We'll get this second half underway. And it'll be Armstrong Ravula to get us started in the second half, and is not going to go the 10 metres. Fiji and Drua back in control. Armstrong Ravula. And now right up the centre. Great with the ball in hand. Armstrong Ravula gets it back. Back on the inside. Silla. Oh boy, that's a try. Isoa Silla. It started on the 22. Powerful charge. Back now for Holo. Lakai. Big moments in this game. Here goes Raketi Stones. Roigard again. Drops it off to Karifi. And they're playing under a penalty advantage. Roigard goes himself. And Cam Roigard lays it back. Snapped up by Raketi Stones. And the local hero. Almost under the post. Penalty advantage here as Plummer goes close. Roigard, he's got players away. Here's Sullivan. Bailen Sullivan! And the Hurricanes are back at Canaveri. Important line-out throw. See where the Hurricanes put a man up. Canaveri. Yes, they do put a man up. But it's been nicely done. And close to the line. Try! Thanakavata. Then lost it. Oh, the ball's been lost. So now the Hurricanes can do something here as Shields has it from the pass by Roigard. Now Roigard slings it off to, and here is a bust from Hohepa. Pops it up. Godfrey. Harry Godfrey. He's on the clock. Looking to convert his own try from the sideline. Oh, that's not bad. That is a great. Misses the spot tackle. Ball is there. Ball was out. Hurricanes have got it. They'll boot this into touch. They might even get a try if Naholo gets there. No, they don't. It's into touch. What a game. What a game at McLean Park in Napier. Hurricanes victorious. Players all over the field. Absolutely done after 80 minutes. But the Hurricanes get home by 38.